We've all been there. You need to swap a light bulb, grab something off a high shelf, or maybe touch up some paint. Out comes the trusty stepladder. It's a simple tool, right? Well, in construction, that simple tool can become a hazard. Construction sites are full of uneven ground, loose materials, and plenty of foot traffic. Add a stepladder into the mix, and you've got a recipe for potential trouble. One wrong step, a sudden shift, or an overloaded top platform can lead to nasty falls. We're talking broken bones, concussions, even worse. These accidents don't just hurt the folks involved, they cost the industry big time. Lost work days, insurance claims, and damaged equipment add up fast. So how do we keep our men and women safe when the job requires a little extra height? That's the million-dollar question. We know safety matters. Every construction site has rules about stepladder use. The problem is rules on paper don't always translate to safe practices on the ground. Guys are rushing, deadlines are looming, and sometimes those safety protocols take a back seat. Training is key, no doubt, but even with the best training, it's tough to keep an eye on everyone all the time. We need a way to spot potential hazards before they turn into accidents. That's where technology comes in. Imagine a system that could tell if a ladder wasn't properly set up, if someone was leaning too far, or if the weight was distributed wrong. That kind of real-time monitoring could be a game changer for safety. Here's where things get really interesting. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the game in construction safety. We're talking about computer systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions like we do. But even better, imagine AI-powered cameras on a job site that can see if a stepladder is on uneven ground, if the angle is too steep, or if someone's about to climb with tools in their hands. These systems can send out instant alerts, warning workers of the danger before it's too late. But wait, there's more. AI can also help us train workers more effectively. Imagine virtual reality simulations that put you right there on the job site, teaching you how to use a stepladder safely in a controlled environment. With AI, the future of safety training is looking pretty bright. Section 4. Proof is in the performance AI making a difference. Now, you might be thinking, sounds good in theory, Mike, but does this stuff really work? You bet it does. Companies are already using AI to improve stepladder safety, and the results speak for themselves. Take Suffolk Construction, for example. They've implemented AI systems that monitor worker behavior and identify potential hazards. The results? A significant reduction in safety incidents and a much safer work environment. And it's not just big companies. Smaller firms are also finding that AI is a cost-effective way to improve safety. By investing in these technologies, they're protecting their workers, reducing downtime, and saving money in the long run. Section 5. The hurdles we face. Implementation isn't always easy. Now, I'm not going to lie, putting these AI systems in place isn't always a walk in the park. One big concern is data privacy. We need to make sure these systems are collecting and using data responsibly without invading anyone's privacy. Then there's the challenge of integrating AI into existing workflows. Construction sites are busy places, and adding new technology can sometimes feel like trying to change a tire on a moving car. But perhaps the biggest challenge is getting workers on board. Change can be tough, and some folks might be resistant to these new technologies. That's why it's crucial to involve workers in the process, address their concerns, and show them how AI can make their job safer. Section 6. Building the future. AI's potential in construction safety. Despite the challenges, the future of AI in construction safety is incredibly exciting. Imagine AI systems that can predict potential hazards before they even happen, based on factors like weather conditions, worker fatigue, and even the type of work being done. We're also on the cusp of developing autonomous safety systems that can intervene in real time to prevent accidents. Imagine a drone that automatically stabilizes a swaying ladder, or a robotic arm that catches a falling tool. The possibilities are truly endless, but we can't do it alone. We need collaboration between tech companies, construction firms, and regulatory bodies to ensure these technologies are developed and implemented safely and effectively. Section 7, conclusion, a safer tomorrow one step at a time. At the end of the day, construction is a dangerous business, but it's also a vital one. We build the roads, bridges, and buildings that make our world go round, and we owe it to the hardworking men and women in this industry to provide them with the safest possible work environment. AI has the potential to revolutionize construction safety, particularly when it comes to something as simple as a step ladder. By embracing these technologies, addressing the challenges and working together, we can create a future where every worker comes home safe every single day. That's a future worth building.